Takoyaki Cafe. Located in between Guam Reef and Westin Hotel in Tumon, call them today at 648-TAMA.
And we're back. Thank you so much for tuning in. Well, without further ado, here's Asha with a recap of Summer Sounds.
SOS 2016 is going down tonight at Horse and Cow. We have DJ Oz spinning his mixes right now, and we have Vic on the bull, so let's check that out.
What's up, guys? We're live here at SOS 2016 party number 11 at Horse and Cow. Man, I have here with me Evelyn. Let me tell you guys, this girl can ride. She rode the bull and she won the contest. She was on the bull for 28 seconds. We had 3 gentlemen come through, never beat it, and she went for 28 seconds. Evelyn, how are you enjoying SOS right now?
It's good. What?
Did you have fun tonight?
Yes.
Who are you here with? Your friends?
With my friends.
Is this somebody's birthday or what?
No, not.
So it's just girls' night out?
Yes.
Just having fun?
Yes.
Just, doing girls' things, All right, well, Evelyn, thank you so much, and congratulations for competing in our bull riding contest.
Okay, thank you very much, too.
You continue to have a good night, okay?
Okay, good night.
All right, there you go. 28 seconds, ladies and gentlemen. This girl can ride.
Adam from Canada.
And
Sam from San Diego.
All right, guys, thanks for coming out to tonight's party. I have one question for you. Where is the 2016 Olympics at this year?
Brazil, Rio.
All right, and what team are you rooting for?
We're definitely shooting for Canada this year.
Okay, Canada. All right, guys, thanks for coming on camera with me, and because you guys did that, we'll give you guys some prizes. How does that sound? Good? Good?
I don't know. Go America.
Oh, I got the flag bag.
Yeah. Thanks, guys. All right, guys, that's it for party number 11 here at Horse and Cow. If you didn't check us out tonight, we'll be posted up at Jimmy D's on Sunday. So let's give it up for our sponsors. We have Current Guam, Hoff Aloha, Timeless Brand, Crowns Guam, etc., Gold Tooth, Chamarita Swimwear, Salon and Vogue, Ross & Company, Anywhere Clothing, Classic Professional Tattooing, Stone Styly, IT&E, Budweiser, and the station that's always blazing, I-94. We'll see you guys at Jimmy D's on Sunday.
And for a complete recap, make sure to head on over to IT&E's page on Facebook. Stick around because we have the winners from the 2016 Stoli Bartending Competition when In the Mix returns.
Your community calendar is brought to you by Taco Bell. Whether it's your first meal or your fourth meal, we've got you covered. Taco Bell, live Más.